Here's how to add Amazon Pay in Shopify. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, log in your Shopify store. After opening Shopify store, you have to click on Setting button, which is on the bottom of the screen at the left side. Next window will look like this. The next step is to just click on Payments button, which is on the left side of the screen. Next window will look like this. Here you will see an option, Supported Payment Methods. You can carefully check this one. Next, you have to click on Add Payment Methods. Here you have two options, but you have to click on Search by Payment Methods. Now search here Amazon Pay. Then just click on it. Here you can see there are 3 providers of this payment method. You can select one of them and then click on Activate button. Next window will look like this. Then you can read this page carefully and then just click on Connect button. So in this way, you can add Amazon Pay in Shopify.